Hello again, guys. Pompey Picker back again. So in front of me today I have two locks that were very generously even given to me by Peter Lewis, the Irish Lockpicker. So thanks, Pete. Absolutely generous guy. Yeah, so one of them is a Ace 4-lever Old English style padlock. That's the bitting of the key, and it's a perfectly working lock. But yeah, yes, lovely, beautiful little lock. And the other one is a Squire 660. And again, there's the bitting of the key, and again in the Old English style padlock. The difference with these two is one is a piped keyway and one is a non-piped keyway. So that's the Squire key on the right, and that's the Ace key on the left. So that's the difference with these two locks. But yeah, so let's see if we can get one open, shall we? So I've got an Andy Mac tension tool. Well, it's part Andy Mac's and part mine. Yeah, we'll throw it in the Squire and see where we go. Andy Mac padlock pick wire, and let's get it around and see what we can do. So I found heavy tension seems to work better with these type of locks. I keep getting caught up on the little shutter on the top there, so just got to be a bit wary of that. But yeah, heavy tension, and we'll go fishing for some binders. Maybe a bit more heavy tension on it. It's not getting any reaction at the moment. Oh, it's a very slight bit of reaction there. I'm not sure you could see it, but I could definitely feel it. So just keep fishing backwards and forwards, gentle lifts until we can feel for some reaction. Nope, and there we go. So I'm not going to throw that all the way because they like to trap the wire. I think I've said that too late because I've actually gone all the way. So now I think I may have a bit of problem getting that wire out, but it will come out somehow. He says, famous last words. Oh, and there we go, all the way over. So yeah, that's the Squire 660, and we'll lock that back up. It's fully working lock. So thanks, Peter, thanks for that. Don't have a Squire, so that's my first Squire. Thank you very much, sir. And now we've got the Ace 4-lever, and slightly different tension tool. So we've got a pipe tension tool, again one of Andy Mac's padlock picks, and we'll go in at an angle. Okay, so I'm getting caught up on that shutter at the top there. It's a pain in the ass, but yeah, let's have a look, see what we've got. So heavy tension again, and go fishing for some binders. Oh, see the movement there? That was a lovely bit of movement there. That was a slight bit of movement. I think that was on lever 3. Coming back to lever 1, 2, 3, and come back to the front again, I think. And there we go. Open. Now, this is the one that likes to really trap the wire, so let's see what's... Actually hasn't thrown the bolt all the way, so I'll pull that back. What tends to happen on this one is the upstand on the tension tool is not quite long enough to throw the bolt, so all we have to do here is pop the wire in, get to the back of the bolt. If we can find the bolts, it says, and then throw the bolt with the wire. But yeah, 2 absolutely lovely locks, like I say, from Peter Lewis, the Irish Lockpicker. Very generous, mate. I will be sending you something back, although you've told me you don't want anything back in return. I will get something out to you as promised. Yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon.